Where this girl come
Hey!
Oh,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. How was your class?
Yeah, not bad. I've been
Do you
waiting
miss
for you
me?
since. I miss you like man. I swear.
Oh, that's my baby.
You're
Don't
fine.
worry. Yes, I missed you too. Babe, let's go and buy food. I'm
Food.
hungry.
Let's
Yes.
still like hang out now. We can still play for a while or something. But let's eat special. Food
Okay,
necessary. Let's
then
go.
we'll come back, Abby.
Yeah, I
You
miss
miss
you.
me?
Like man. I
Oh,
see you this morning. I don't know why I did miss you like that. For
because
you.
you love me. What's up?
Hey, sorry. I have a girlfriend. Sorry.
Jesus.
Hey, baby.
Hi, baby.
Yeah. So how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, you said you want to tell me something. What?
Just let me even tell you. There's one girl in our department today. Say, that's how she cheated on my boyfriend.
You know, seriously.
Just God. The boy
What?
and her friends and his friends, they came to collect her phone today. You see, they beat the girl. They beat her.
They beat him.
I swear to
My
God.
go for
Whoa, all these girls, whoa, the moment I said,
There's one girl like that came to like before she even sent it. I know that all those girls don't want to ask my number. Before
fine
she's
boy.
no,
Oh,
mashallah,
fine.
so before she even like calling my number like this,
What did I tell her?
and I say I have a girlfriend straight. She don't even send
It's a
it.
lie. I very close her number.
No, I'm not like I see my recent call logs now. It's you. I don't call you tired.
It's even true. You sent me money. Thank you.
It's fine now. It's just normal. It's normal. It's fine. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. What is it? Why are you crying? What is it now? What is it?
Sure I've been calling you since morning. You do not pick your call. Oh.
That's why you're crying.
Yes.
It's okay.
Why did you
Now.
not pick your call?
It's okay. Okay.
Miss you.
Yeah, I miss you too. Okay.
Let me finish this picture as my old paper. The picture is fine. Oh, my baby. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, baby, I want to tell you something.
What's that?
It's the first time, but
What's that? Tell me now. Tell me.
I love you. Like,
I love you too.
you love me too.
Yeah.
So can I kiss you? Hey.
You not miss me. You not tell me that you love me
I
yesterday.
don't miss you.
You not tell me that you love me yesterday now.
How?
You not tell me that you love me yesterday.
I love you now. Like I love you so much.
How many times?
I
How many
don't.
times?
1,000 times.
For
I love you now.
2026, so
That's
what
what
the
you do.
human being they do for 2026.
Yeah, it's fine. You're coming back here.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. Yeah, you don't even can't get person time. You just the to. You just this your new girlfriend. Don't take your head. Yeah, you don't even can't get my time, even for daytime, for night time, for afternoon time.
But I don't do here for evening time.
Oh my, you go find my test.
Hey, that's my baby Snow, baby.
See what I talk.
How are you?
See what I
guy
talk.
now. Oh, guy, no verse. I miss you too.
Yeah, for daytime.
It's been 2 hours.
2
I'm not
hours.
seeing you.
It's just 2 hours
Yes.
now, baby.
Oh, you not miss me for that.
I miss
2
you.
hours.
Baby.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You don't do now. You don't do.
Yeah, let's go.
No, we
let's
enter
go.
night time.
Let's go. Sorry, my bro.
Like you, they leave me.
Let's go. No verse.
Let's go.
You dey leave me for total time.